Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Iris shader in Minecraft 1.21.5. Let's get started. Shaders can completely transform how Minecraft looks, making it more realistic or visually unique. To get started, close Minecraft, then open a web browser and go to curseforge.com and select Minecraft, then search for Iris shaders. Then click on Iris Shaders and go to Files and make sure the version is for Minecraft 1.21.5 and the Fabric Mod Loader. Download the file. Next, we need Sodium, which Iris requires to work. Search for Sodium on CurseForge, open it and go to Files and download the Fabric version for 1.21.5. Now choose a shader pack. On CurseForge, browse by shaders and pick one you like. Preview the images if you want, then download the shader pack that matches Minecraft 1.21.5. After that, open a new tab and go to fabricmc.net. Then download the Fabric installer for Windows. Then click Fabric API, which takes you back to CurseForge, and download the Fabric API for 1.21.5. Then, once everything is downloaded, open the File Explorer and go to Downloads and double-click the Fabric installer and select Minecraft 1.21.5 and click Install. Now, open the Minecraft launcher and go to Installations and find Fabric 1.21.5, and after that, click the folder icon and open the Mods folder and drag in Iris, Sodium, and Fabric API. And after that, launch Minecraft using Fabric. Once in-game, press Escape, go to Options, Video Settings, and Shader Packs. Drag your shader pack into the window and select it and click Apply. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.